Hey everyone, welcome back to Z-Top's YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic supercars of our generation, the all-new 2025 Audi R8. This isn't just a refresh, it's a refined beast that blends raw performance with cutting-edge design, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. For years, the R8 has stood as Audi's flagship performance machine, sleek, aggressive, and brutally fast. The 2025 model continues that tradition, while also offering subtle upgrades in styling, aerodynamics, and technology that make it feel more modern, yet still familiar. In this video, we'll explore everything, from the snarling V10 engine under the hood to the redesigned cockpit that puts you at the center of it all. Whether you're a longtime fan of the R8 or just discovering what makes it special, you're in for a treat. Let's get into it. Say hello to the 2025 Audi R8, a supercar that blends timeless design with brutal performance. This year's model keeps the legendary 5.2-liter V10 engine alive, delivering 620 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.1 seconds. With its sharpened front end, updated laser headlights, and aggressive aerodynamic tweaks, the R8 looks even more like the predator it is. Audi didn't just refresh the R8, they refined a masterpiece. Step inside, and you're greeted with Audi's signature virtual cockpit, Alcantara-wrapped details, and a layout that puts the driver in complete control. It's not overloaded with flashy gimmicks. It's all about focus, precision, and speed. The Quattro all-wheel drive system grips like a dream, while the suspension keeps things planted and smooth even at high speeds. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising the coast, the 2025 R8 is built to thrill. In a world shifting to silence, the R8 stands tall as a celebration of sound and speed. This could be one of the last naturally aspirated V10s we ever see, and it's going out with style. If you're a fan of performance, design, and driving emotion, this car delivers all three in perfect balance. The 2025 Audi R8 is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. In a world racing toward electric silence, the R8 roars with a defiance that's both nostalgic and thrilling. It's a machine built for purists, for those who believe driving is more than just transportation, it's passion. From its naturally aspirated V10 to its aggressive, unmistakable design, this car is a reminder of what makes driving exciting. Audi didn't just evolve the R8, they perfected it, keeping the soul of the original while bringing it firmly into the future. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. Would you take this over a McLaren, a Porsche, or even a Ferrari? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay fast and stay focused.